Student, welcome to Tableau. We are still doing the hospital visits and hospital costs example. In this example, I would like to compare the revenue, which I put it in the column, with the department type. So we have a department which has different type. So we have general, we have intensive care, labs, and specialty. So we have 4 departments that we have here. Now, of course, remember, we have in the date of admission, we have 2 type of years. We have 2018, 2019, and I want to color them somewhere here. And that's the color. You will notice something in the color that they have been stacked with each other. So this one is 2018, this one 2019, which is kind of okay, but I don't want them to be stacked. I want both of them to start from the beginning. So you go to the top, you will find analysis, written analysis in the top one, and then there is a stack marks. You go to the stack marks and you click off. Now if you click off, you will notice that both of them, they start from the same 0, but one covers the other. So 2018 is covering 2019. So we need to do something about this. And the way we can do this is, let's use different width for 2018 and different width for 2019. How can we do that? We go back to date of admit and we drag it to the size shelf. Once it becomes to the size shelves, something happened. It's written by quarter. You can notice here, if you look here, you find it by quarter. So you need to change it back to years by clicking on it and choose year. Now it becomes 2 years. One of them is small, one of them is very thin. You can see this is thin and this is big one. Big and thin. So we can now just use them differently. Let me just show you, for example, I don't want to use the orange one for 2019. So what I do, I double click on the color itself of 2019, and then you can choose any color you would like. You have so many colors you can choose. Let me choose blue. You just say apply. You can see it here in the background and say okay. However, if you notice, 2018 has already disappeared. We need a different color for 2018, which can at least deal with this. So which color is good? Let me try the red. If you click apply, you can see it. I think it's good. So just say okay. So we have 2019 and a red 2018. Now in the lab, we can notice that 2018 is clearly doing better than 2019. Of course, you can change the size of both of them. Just click here and say edit size. Just click edit size. You can just reverse the size if you want. Make 2018 bigger. Let's try this. However, if we do that, which is not recommended, you can notice that in the lab it really disappeared, the 2018, because of course the choice of the color. So just let me go back to this one, and now let me just make them even wider and wider, and the other one is very thinner and thinner. So that's what we get up here. Now, sometimes you want to see a border line. So you have to go to the color, and then you can see that there is border. Choose the black one, and now my bar has border. What else we can do? Of course, sometimes it's not important to see this one here or this one here. Not every legend is important. I mean, I know that the big one is 2019 because of the color, so I can go and click on this arrow here and I can hide the card. So just hide the card, it's not there anymore.